guys, good day. I just want to quickly show you how I've been using ChatGPT. ChatGPT has really been of great help to most developers, and sometimes developers get scared about what the world will really be like in the next 5 years. I can recall someone said that actually it's likely that AI is going to replace programmers, but that's not possible because if actually you do not know what to ask for in ChatGPT, you definitely will not know the right query to enter, and even when you enter the right query, you may not even be able to know how to make the possible adjustments. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to create a simple form, and in that form will be processed using PHP MySQL. So I'm equally going to create a database in the second segment of the video, and then the form created will be processed in PHP and submitted to MySQL database. I'm going to do all of the scripting using ChatGPT, and possibly if there is any adjustments, I may equally ask ChatGPT to do same for me. So follow me. First, I'm going to create the form page. Alright, I'll be using my Sublime text here, and I've just created a folder. Please, it's important to note that this is a full PHP MySQL application, and it will require a server on your local machine for you to be able to run it. I have XAMPP already installed on my computer, and I think it's currently running, so I need to confirm that it's currently running. Okay, so I start it first, but everything I'm going to do using PHP, I'll be able to view it. So the first page I'm going to create, I'm going to call it the index page, so just call it index.php. I'm going to save it into that my folder. Chat open, and I save it there. Okay, so let me open folder tutorial. Alright, so I have my file index.php already saved. I've created a file index.php and I save it. So first I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me a registration form where I'm going to collect name. So I will collect first name, last name, collect email, phone number, date of birth, nationality. Alright, and I think that should be all for now. So I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to create a bootstrap. I'm going to use bootstrap for my design. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create, I will just say create a mobile friendly web page. I'm just saying it as if I'm a novice on web page, or a mobile friendly registration form using bootstrap to allow users submit the following. So I've created my question, so I've copied it and I move quickly to ChatGPT, and then on ChatGPT I'll just paste. I can choose to write directly here and I click it. Well, I didn't specify if it should be PHP or SQL, so let's see. The file PHP is created. Okay, let's see if it's PHP. So it may take time to study this. The form is created already, and Bootstrap is being used using CDN, and so I don't need to download Bootstrap library into my folder. So it's CDN, and then the form has been created. So I will simply copy this form and go to the page I had already created and I paste it, then I save. So this is saved on tutorial that is in htdocs. So let me quickly open my file, localhost / tutorial. Wow, so this is the registration form I have created. This is the registration form I've created. So I may want to adjust this page. I want to add a user-friendly navigation bar where the user can have register and can have hotels, can have contact us on the menu. So I will just go back to ChatGPT. I can just say awesome, kindly add a mobile friendly navigation menu with the following items: register, hotels, and contact us. So I can say the menu should be displayed as home bag backup on mobile screens. Then I say add the nav and give me the complete code. So I'm querying again. So that's just how it goes, and this is just for the simple front end. You can do as much wonders as you could ever imagine, in as much as you understand scripting. So I'm going to paste this and we'll view the adjusted scripts, adjusted HTML and Bootstrap, so that in our next alright, so you see the navigation. So in our next video, okay, so you see that the next video is, you can adjust the name. The next video I'm going to show you how you will collect the data from this form and you process it with PHP, and then as you wish, you may want to submit it to a database. So thank you for watching. If you have any question or anything you may want to ask related to this, simply make comments in the comment section. If you enjoyed the session, let me know. Please do well to hit the subscribe button, just to keep encouraging and to ensure that you get notified any other time a video comes up. Thank you.